Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix a black screen on Instagram Reels, so let's get right into it. Now, this might be happening for a couple of different reasons. Usually they're related either to your network or the Instagram app itself, so let me show you guys how you could possibly fix it. If it's your network that's being the problem, you can easily just do a speed test online, see if the speed is good enough, and if it's not, you can either try to troubleshoot it yourself, try restarting the router, or you can call your ISP and see if it is a problem with their service. If it is, then you'll have to wait, and if they are having the problem, they should fix it in quite a short time. You can try also using your mobile data, and if that's not working, if you have mobile data and if you're still getting a black screen, what might be happening is if you go into your account and go into the settings, scroll down into your app and media and go into data usage. As you can see, under use less data, you have the data saver, which will prevent preloading of videos, which will then make them buffer when you actually view them. This is used to not waste any data you might have, so you'll just need to wait for them to load. Alternatively, it might be a bug with Instagram itself. In that case, you should update your app if you already didn't. If it updated and the update broke it, you should try to downgrade it, or you can also try clearing your cache. If you go into your settings on your device, go into Instagram and go into storage, you can clear the cache, which when corrupted will cause several problems for you, so you can very easily try to fix it through that. You can also clear the data or reinstall the app, depends on what you want to do and what works, but those are simple fixes which you can try. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.